Today on Southern Accent Foods, I'll show you an easy recipe for this classic zucchini bread. It's another great way to use up the summer vegetables, and it won't last long, not in my house anyway. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 180 Celsius. If you're not using one of these bendy pans, coat a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan with cooking spray. Start by grating some zucchini. No need to peel it, you'll need about 2 cups. Now you can sift your dry ingredients together. You'll need all-purpose flour, baking soda and baking powder, and cinnamon. Sprinkle on some salt when you're finished. Put 3 eggs into a large bowl and add canola oil, apple puree or applesauce, white and brown sugar, and vanilla extract. Whisk everything together until combined. Fold in your grated zucchini and stir until just incorporated. Now you can add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Just stir until combined. You could use a hand mixer here if you like, but a good old-fashioned spatula works too. Pour the batter into your prepared loaf pan and smooth everything out. Get the pan into the center of your preheated oven and bake for 50 minutes to an hour, or until a toothpick or cake tester comes out clean. And here is your delicious summer zucchini bread. Don't leave it out too long, it'll disappear. Head over to my website, southernaccentfoods.com, for the recipe. There's a link down in the description. You can download and print my recipes. They're in a checklist format, and you can sign up for a weekly recipe emailed to you before the video goes up, so you can go shopping if you want to make it. Let me know down in the comments if there's anything you'd like to see me make, and have a look at another one of my videos here.